Hey, good evening everyone. This is Ravi Kumar, a spoken English mentor. So many people, after watching my 2-3 continuous live videos on Facebook and on YouTube, they asked me one question. That Ravi sir, could you please tell me what is the one secret of your true fluency? Because when I talk to you, when I see you, it appears that you sound so natural. Ladies and gentlemen, let me share with you my tips and what I did and what I feel about true fluency. So in this today video of mine, I'll be sharing with you what are the things which must be taken into account while speaking, and what is the one secret that has given me a true fluency actually. So I know for the fact that it's going to be very awesome. See, you know how to speak in English, you know to convert every possible your thoughts which are available in your mind, you are able to express that. But don't you feel that when you have true fluency, when you are able to speak so fast, as simple as you speak your mother tongue, your original language, what if you get the same secret of this fluency? So let me tell you one thing. How does it function? I'll be sharing with you which I have observed after putting this 20+ years of practice of doing these all stuff, teaching students, going on different platforms to speak on different topics. So what I observed is that, see, India is said to be the fastest English speaking country at this planet. We Indians speak so fast. There may be so many reasons, but what I am going to share with you today is that what is one reason that we are so faster. The reason is pretty simple, and how does these things works also I'll be sharing with you today. What happens? Let me tell you, or let me make you understand through a very simple example. Every house is having one water head tank, right? There is a tank, and every tank has minimum 2 valves. One is water filling valve, and then the second one is decanting valve. The filling valve and decanting valve. When you talk to somebody, when you speak something, this human mechanism is also, just compare for one moment, that this human mechanism is also as same as that overhead tank, wherein your mouth is functioning, is working like decanting valve. Your brain, where the idea gets generated, is like a filling valve. Let me ask you one question. What will happen if the capacity, means if the decanting capacity of the valve is more than the filling capacity? What will happen? After a certain point of time, what will happen? That overhead tank will have no water. Second question. What if the filling capacity is more than the decanting capacity? What will happen? Water will overflow. Same things happens while speaking, ladies and gentlemen. If you know how to balance, if you have the balance between your speaking and the generation of ideas, then you will be fluent, you will be a consistent speaker. This is the one secret. What happens? Most of the people are in the practice of learning the skills how to generate ideas. Most of the people are in the habit of just practicing this vomiting capacity, vomiting sort of things. That means a speaking capacity. They are willing to develop that. And that is only the reason that you would also have observed in your life that you will find some speakers who are so fast in speaking, but after 5 to 3 minutes, what happens? They are soda, boom. Why so? Do you know? Because the reason is that they are not having balance between their generation of ideas, means that their generating capacity and their vomiting capacity is not synchronized. So now the question comes, what to do and how to do. There is a whole lot of process that I'll share with you in my coming videos, but till date, just understand one thing, that you got to focus, you got to work upon two things. One, your generating capacity, and the second, your decanting capacity, your speaking capacity also. This is how you are going to rock. This is how, these are the things where you are supposed to work upon, and when you do that, you will have the natural and true fluency. Let me give you one more example. Sorry. See what happens. Somebody who is from Hindi speaking region, or somebody who is from Hindi medium school or Hindi background or any other background, language background, not English, what will happen? They are so natural, they are so fluent in their regional language. But since, see, they may be having the one idea how to speak. So do you know what is one reason that Indians are so faster? Because the way they speak their regional language, in the same fashion, in the same way they want to speak English, and most of them speak the same, most of them practice the same as well. So if you are one who is willing to learn the true secrets of fluency, then this video is made for you, gentlemen. You got to understand, you got to focus on two things. You cannot be a very fluent speaker unless you don't focus on two mechanisms. One, the generating of ideas, how to generate ideas, how can you be consistent while speaking, and the second, how to speak. In most of the institution, what is taught? How to speak, that's it. It is not taught how to generate ideas and how to have balance between these two mechanisms. Once you learn this skill, gentlemen, then the problem is solved. That is why so many people are there who ask me this question, that Ravi, what is one reason that you are so fluent in English? What is the reason? People who don't know me, my name is Ravi Kumar. I am a spoken English mentor, and I help only those students who have just passed their 10th grade examination and now they are willing to join a college. Means a new college aspirants. For them, I have come up with a program on public speaking and on spoken English mainly, so that they can learn these skills and they can feel confident, they can grow in their life. So if you have somebody in your house, if you are a parent who is watching me now live, if you are brother or sisters of somebody who has just passed the 10th grade and he or she is willing to join a school and college, then this is the right time for you. You can call me up on my personal number, that is 8595020936. I repeat, 8595020936, wherein I'll be sharing my secrets of this true fluency, and I'll be telling them how to speak in English. Because I know for the fact that there are so many people who has come up from different background, and when they go to new college, a whole lot of new changes are taking place over there. The environment is quite different, people are different from different regions, and that's the reason that your son and daughter may not feel so comfortable. And anyone who is watching me live and you have passed your 10th examination from any board, irrespective of your language, and if you are willing to learn English language, as a spoken English mentor, I'll be guiding you how to learn English in the best possible way. You can call me up on my number 8595020936. And yeah, and one thing more, that if you want to learn the secret, then what is one secret? How to have balance between this generating capacity and this vomiting capacity. Stay tuned. I'll be live once again. This is Ravi Kumar signing out until we meet again. Namaskar.